Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm putting together yet another tomato pie. And the reason I wanted to show you is because the variations are limitless. I took a pie out of the freezer. I put it in the oven on 375 for about 10 minutes just to give it a little pre-bake. I have put 2 slices of pepper jack Tillamook cheese in the bottom of this and some Havarti dill. And I have taken, get back girl. I have taken German Johnson tomatoes. You can use any tomato, no ma'am, that you like, and cook is after the cheese. I washed and sliced them, put them on paper towels for 15 minutes. No ma'am, I put salt and pepper and dill. Okay, the salt helps draw out some of the moisture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these German Johnson tomatoes in a layer in my pie, in my tomato pie, and let me pull it to the center so y'all can see. Whoop, I just broke the crust trying to move it. Dadgummit. Hate when I do stuff like that. Well, the crust is going back in there, okay? Because I love some crunch. Okay, these are Better Boys, but you can tell they're a little bit more red. They're a little more beefy of a tomato. Well, I have made at least 2 of these a week since tomato season came into town. And I end up eating, I'm going to save that one for something else. Maybe a sandwich. Anyway, to this, I'm going to add thin slices of white onion. You can use whatever onion you want or none at all. That's totally up to you. But I'm going to slice them real thin or as thin as I can get them. Get back! Jeez Louise. And what I'm going to do with these onions, since I'm the only one probably going to eat this, maybe I'll send a piece to my mom and dad, but I'm going to just put these onions over the top. And again, tomato pie is meant to be made by the stuff you like in your garden. I'm going to sprinkle with some basil, some fresh cut basil. And then I have mixed a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1 egg. And into this, I am going to put some shredded Havarti dill, which I'm running out of counter space with all these tomatoes, so y'all are going to have to trust me on this. I'm going to put about 1 cup of the Havarti dill. I'm going to mix this up. 1 egg, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and I use Duke's, but you can use whatever mayonnaise you want, or you can use Greek yogurt, you could use sour cream, you could make this where it's not quite so fattening. You could put fresh corn into this, just FYI. I'm going to just dump that on top of my pie. And I'm going to bake mine on 350 until it is golden and bubbly and all the cheese is melted. And you want to talk about something good in the summertime, and it's like a party in your mouth, in your oral cavity. And I'll post pictures of this in my story and on my page. But that is how I'm making my tomato pie today. Into the oven it will go. And you know what? I'm gonna put something under this because I don't want it to run over into my oven. I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. And I will have a piece of delicious tomato pie, either for lunch or supper, or I haven't eaten breakfast, so I might have me a slice as soon as it comes out. Anyway, it is better if you let it set up. If you're making a tomato pie, you know, you can even chill it down a little bit. I like mine cold, medium, or warm, or hot. I like it any way you want to serve it up. I love a tomato pie. So if you haven't had a tomato pie this season, in your growing season, wherever you are, definitely a keeper, and you should watch this video back so you can make your own. They are so good, and when you make them for other people, here's what you get. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. Who made this? Did you grow the tomatoes? They were so good. You get all kinds of comments from people who love them. So tomato pie, y'all, you can make it your own. Make it your own recipe. I'm gonna relax the body down while my spaghetti sauce is cooking, and I'll show y'all what I'm doing a little later in my kitchen. Anyway, tomato pie, it's that season. It's tomato pie season, and I love them. Anyway, any way you want to fix them, I love them. I'll see you guys later. Give that one a try for sure. See ya.